Hi guys, in this video we will see how to customize widgets on your Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G phone. This is a newly released phone and you can easily customize your widget. Here tap and hold your iPhone desktop screen and here you will find the option widget. Tap on widget and here you can easily manage, add and remove widgets from the list. If you want to add any widget, simply select, tap and drag and draw the widget to your Samsung screen. And if you want to remove, simply tap and hold and choose remove. So you can easily various size of your widget available. If you choose calendar, various size of calendar available here. Simply tap, hold and drag and release on your Samsung screen, home screen, and you can see you can add and remove widget, various type of widget from your Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G phone. If you want to add any clock, various type of clocks feature is also available here. That's all.